Hi, welcome. I have amazing things to share with you. I'm happy that you're moving forward. Your mind is opening to newer possibilities. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have a question for you. Have you ever felt helpless when your brain's subconscious section expected a detrimental reaction to an event that made you recall a trauma? So, your brain expected a reaction. Expected something from your part, and that was to remember something that hurt you, and that was relevant to the event that occurred. And you don't need to have any reaction. And I know a reaction is an expectation humans helplessly accept. The comedy shows on television encourage a reaction amongst the other sources that also want you to react. There is low self-esteem involved in this detrimental brain response. Next, self-worth are built best through repetition of positive affirmations, and non-judgmental responses are key to this self-development aim and enormously valuable embodiments. So giving yourself two positive affirmations in the morning. You get up, you have a page of five affirmations, and reading two of them. That's a good start. Next, when you get a blessing, don't put anyone down. Know I am better than you thinking because of my gifts from He, the above. It is great to be secretive of your gifts, but excluding the ego response of grandeur comparison is important. You must be thinking, what I cannot praise or be praised for my efforts? Your ego is provoked, and it can often blind you and give a response where you lower others. Focusing on your own path is important. A brief, very brief acknowledgement is sufficient. You are outstanding for wanting a change, crossing over, seeing my videos with the aim of achieving a sainthood status is beautiful, but just don't try to broadcast your transformation to others, especially if you seek any form of recognition. You are here, and that alone is valuable. When not seeking external opinions for approval, you advance. You advance, yeah. Secrets with the aim to climb to another level is important. That's all I'm trying to endorse. So be secretive, please. Keep climbing with me, and the other saints you will encounter on your journey will arise. Of course, of which some are excellent saints, and then there are saints who are still learning the ropes, the ins and outs of the new world you are entering with me. I leave it at that, so keep your effort in meditation state and focus on your closeness to He, your higher self, Jesus, Buddha, Allah, and so on. So the universal energy, also very powerful. So that's it for today, and I hope my video works. I was having technical issues. Let's see. Okay, I'll see. Take care. Bye.